Esteemed delegates and guests, we would like to thank you for your support to hold this 11th edition of our International Symposium, for the first time in virtual modality because of the restrictions imposed by this pandemic that has placed the whole world under great strain since last year and taken a very heavy toll on human lives. Cuba has faced up to this situation under very difficult circumstances, but without renouncing its usual gestures of solidarity by offering cooperation with medical assistance as we received help from friendly countries. Likewise, we have been able to develop a number of vaccine candidates which are now being evaluated by the World Health Organization for approval and have been successfully used to tackle and control the pandemic through unprecedented vaccination campaigns and which we are willing to share. Cuban Metrology engaged in the battle against the pandemic since the very beginning by providing metrological assurance of measurements in our healthcare services for the people and in the production of our vaccine candidates, as well as in other important economic activities to support the country, including, among others, food production, trade, fuel transfer, and power generation. This is an example of the importance of metrology as befits the slogan of this symposium. Measurements are a guarantee to the economy, trade, and public security. We are honored to have lectures by renowned leaders of the International Organization of Legal Metrology, the International Bureau of Weights and Measures, the Euro-Asian Cooperation of National Metrological Institutions, COMET, and the Asia-Pacific Legal Metrology Forum, as well as by representatives from about 8 countries of America, Europe, and Asia. Furthermore, we will have almost 30 Cuban speakers with important works, such as a workshop on metrology and the biopharmaceutical industry, so that our metrologists in this essential field, which played a key role in developing the aforesaid vaccine candidates, will share their experiences. As the driving force behind economic growth and progress, science and technology depend on correct measurements for their traceability to the same international reference standard instruments. A world without accurate measurements is a world where science, technology, trade, and society cannot communicate, and where error and uncertainty would definitely prevail. Measurements are strategically important for a nation's development process. The science of measurements covers all sectors of the economy and society, with particular emphasis on the environment, health, food, genetic manipulation, the development of renewable energy sources, and the need for a safer world with high-level information technologies and services in general. Therefore, measurement reliability becomes more and more essential, which is unquestionably related to the required decision-making process behind every measurement. Metrology moves to new fields as a result of technological drive and global change, which calls for the conciliation and harmonization of measurements and technologies with a view to sustainable development. This symposium takes place at a very important moment for Cuba, as a little more than a year ago we approved Decree Law 8 on standardization, metrology, quality, and accreditation to replace a number of regulations, including Decrees Law 62 of 1982 and 183 of 1998. This new decree updates and adjusts the organization and regulation of Cuban metrology to the world practice, as part of the steps we are taking to upgrade our economic model with the emergence of new actors who will make a major contribution to the country's economic development. The experiences shared within and the debates resulting from this symposium will obviously provide us with knowledge and tools to have more effective processes and activities. The symposium will showcase results related to metrology and its fields of application in industry, trade, and service, consumer protection, and particularly our quality infrastructure. Other aspects of scientific metrology will be presented through topics related to measurement, traceability, and uncertainty, and to metrology and quality. Regarding the academic field, there will be topics on training in metrology. Other topics included in the program are measurement in healthcare, environmental control, use of renewable energy sources, and the challenges that biotechnological and pharmaceutical development pose on chemical metrology, among other subjects deemed essential to our economic development. There is no doubt that this symposium will also provide an excellent framework for professional exchange and new personal and institutional relations. On behalf of the Ministry of Science, Technology and the Environment, and wishing all of you successful days of work and professional exchange, I declare the 11th International Symposium Metrology 2021 officially open. Thank you very much.